Hi everyone, welcome to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Atomic Wallet on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Atomic Cryptocurrency Wallet on your Android device, tap Open your Play Store. Go to the search button at the top of the screen and type in Atomic Wallet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap on the install button to begin the downloading process for your wallet. Once the download is done, tap on the open button to launch the app open. And that is how you'll be able to download Atomic Wallet on your Android device. You can now either create a new wallet or restore your backup and log into your Atomic Wallet app. That is how you'll be able to download Atomic Wallet on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.